In today's video, I will be talking about reveal profile, how to put it, and how to create a new profile. First, I do have this villa, and I'm working on it now, and I'm thinking about putting a reveal profile on these 4 walls, or maybe 5. I could put it. So I will go to my wall, and then choose the reveal profile. Usually, it will be like this, the normal profile. So I'll put any profile, and then I will skip. I could see my profile in here. But I can see it's going inward in too much, I mean. I will go to my right elevation, zoom in a bit, and then to see that it's going inside the wall. What I want is that I could just directly just select my profile and by using my arrow keys, shift it into outward. So I could see now my profile. But also I do have another way by creating a new profile. I will go to my file, new, family, and then click P. I will find my profile in here, which is the reveal one, and I will open it. Changing the units, centimeter, okay, okay. Revit is telling me this is your face, or the wall, I mean, wall face, and this is the wall. So I will go by line, maybe 2 centimeter, and then 1 centimeter, and then I draw another. Select all of them, double M for mirror, and now save. I will just load it into the project and save. I will call it my profile. Save it any way you want. And now I will go to my 3D again, select this profile, edit type, duplicate it, new. Okay, and then profile, I will choose my profile. And I will say okay. I could see that directly Revit change it. I will delete it for now. Go to my reveal, select my new one. Just hover over one wall and click one time and skip. If you could see, if I just write CS, you are able to make it as horizontal or vertical one. But for now, I will use it as horizontal one. I will go to my south elevation or north one, let's say. I will select my profile, put this dimension as 15 centimeter. I will select it again and array it. Let me choose the last one, make it as a group, maybe put it 10 for now, from this point until this one. I will go to my 3D, okay, and this is my result. Let me just choose this one, ungroup it, add and remove, select this one, and this one. Unfortunately, I will go one by one. I will select all of them and then go one by one in the same way. Add this wall, this one, and that one. Now I could say I have all the profiles in my walls and done.